Subhajit Da. So this is the third session of Android Study Jam, and I am repeating the pathways. There are two pathways for certificate. We need to complete at least prior programming experience track and earn the badges. And you have to make the Google developer profile and earn all the badges. If you completed both tracks, then you have at least 22 batches, I guess. Okay, so today we are going to make a simple dice roller app. Let me present my screen. Okay, so this is the basic thing of the Android Studio when it opens. And for making dice roller app, we need to import some dice images in XML format. So let's import these images to Android Studio. Click on drawable and paste it here, and just click here. Okay, and these are the dice images. You can see here all the dice images are imported. So let's start with design. So first we need to remove this and put image view here. Okay, the basic dice image I select, and let's constant this.
বলছি এক্সএমএল ফাইলগুলো পাঠাবি না?
গিটহাবে দিয়ে দেবো।
আচ্ছা, তাহলে গিটহাবটা একবার দেখিয়ে দিস, আমরা তো পারবো না নাহলে।
ঠিক আছে। Then okay, let me give a background to this. Let's give a background. Where is the image 0? Oh, sorry. Now this is okay. We need to paste that in drawable v24. Okay, so let's design it again. Let's import a button by which we will roll the dice. Let's constraint this. Okay, and now we need to give that an ID like button small ID like button roll like this, and change the text to roll. You can change the color from here, colors, and then change the color to red. Okay, and then you can make the text large So Android text size 20 dp. Okay, this is fine. 20 dp. Make it bold. Sorry, text style. This this will be bold. So now it's fine, and let's do code in the main activity section for rolling these dice. We need to roll these dice after clicking this button. So we have to code here. First, we need to declare the variable that dice image. So where dice image, where dice image image view. Dice image is image view, and that is null.
Sorry to interrupt, but can you please increase the font size? It will be better for the people.
Okay. For this for the code.
Yes,
Mm, is it now okay?
a bit more.
Okay, I'm closing this now.
Yes, I guess it's fine.
Okay. So okay, this is null, and we declared the variable. Now we have to mention the value of uh, the roll button. So I guess I give the name button roll, and this is a button, and for equal to find view by id. Okay, so this is r dot id. Let's mention the id of the button, and then we need to set on click listener. On click listener. And then we need to dice the value of dice image in view by id. uh, id dot, where is the image dice? And then we need to mention the function, private function. So roll dice is a function, and we need to code the function. Okay. So So if you want to make a toast when it's roll, then you need to code a toast message. I am showing toast how to show toast messages. So we need random integers. So random integers equal to random, sorry, there will be capital random and dot next int, like the before we code that. Okay, next int. We have six images, so we will put six and then plus one. So for making toast messages, we need to code toast dot make text text and then is to dice colon and we need to put the value of random integer to the toast and then we need to mention the toast length, I mean duration. So toast dot length long, length short will give the short and dot show for showing that, and then we need to just give the value of drawable resource. Sorry, drawable resource equal to when random integer will be. So random int. So now we have to give the value of the dice roller. So for that we need to make C dice one, and just we need to copy this for rest of the six, and I am changing. So this will be two and then three and four, six, and we have to change the name to two, and then I think all the names are in format four, five, and six, and then else build dot IC, just IC dice image. Okay, and after this we need to dice image dot set image resource. This drawable resource. And then okay, image dice. So here is the problem. Dice image. Uh, sorry, oh sorry, I forgot to change the name. So this will be the name, and now this is fine. So let's run. I thought I changed the name, but I didn't. So I need to change that. Don't think this will run. What is happening? I don't think there is an error. Okay. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, it's running fine. Let the build finish. Okay, this is the toast message. After rolling this, let's click on roll and this change dice 1 and this is 1. And if you change again, this is 5 and this is dice 5. Okay, so anyone has any doubt till this? This is the app on which we work. This is the dice image. After clicking on roll, this is changing. And if you and the toast message is for that, like if you click once and this the result is 2, and then if you click again and the result is 2 again, then you can understand seeing the toast message. But if there is no toast messages, then you will think the app is not running or something. Okay, so okay, the app is working. Okay, so is there anyone who have any doubts?
The, how to use the code from GitHub?
Okay, I'm saying like
If you upload this code, how will you retrieve that file?
okay, I'm showing. So you need the GitHub desktop for that, and okay, you have to run my code on your device, or you need to push your code to GitHub. What do you want to do?
You show both. If you have time, you can show both on me.
Okay, guys on Z axis. আচ্ছা, সেটা তো করাই যায়, অসুবিধা কি আছে? ওটা অ্যাক্সিসে টার্ন করে দিলে হলো। ফন্ট সাইজ, এই ইয়ের ফন্ট সাইজটা বাড়ছে না অ্যাকচুয়ালি, কোডের জুম হচ্ছে না, এটা কি করে বাড়ায় আমি জানি না। যাই হোক, তো লাস্ট ডেতে আমি কোনটা দিয়েছিলাম? ওকে, ফর দ্যাট ইউ জাস্ট নিড টু copy this link and just go to Android Studio, and then is there anything to, sorry, not this. Okay, if you just close it, let's close it and copy the link, then open Android Studio. Cancel this. This will turn to the basic page, and like you can open from get from version control and then get the GitHub link here. Put the GitHub link and click on clone. This will clone the app and run to your device. After the Gradle build will complete, you can debug the APK. Just wait till the build finish. So you can see all the code turned up here. all the codes are here, but due to not completing the build. Okay, now this is okay. Everything got perfect. Okay, just you need to do if there is any problem, like the red one. Basically, it automatically gone. Still, if don't, if it has any problem, just click on that and press Alt, left Alt, and enter. Okay, the problem will automatically resolved. So this is how you have to import anyone's project to your device. So I need to make a new project. So, and the yeah, and if you want to clone anyone's, like if you want to clone this, just do a fork. I can't fork because this is my repository. If you want to, if you want to just fork clone that, click on fork first, then open in GitHub desktop. Like, wait. Okay, so if I want to, I already contribute on this. If I want to clone this, first click on fork. I fork that, and let's click open in GitHub desktop. You need to just install GitHub desktop perfectly, and after that you just show this file on show in Explorer like this, and I already pasted all the things I made. This will be clear for a new code. Like if I give you any assignment, I will. In that, you just get a simple readme file, and you have to paste your assignment. Like you will get your assignment in C drive and in users in your name, and then Android Studio projects. You will get your project here. Like if I just click on this, you have to do click on this, select all the files, copy this, and after that just put in the file, put here. Okay, after click on show in Explorer, just put here, and then give a summary and description, and then it will appear push to master. Okay, you need to create a branch first. Like from master, this is my branch, so you need to create a branch under the master section. Okay, and then push origin and create pull request. You have to do these things, and first of all you need to just install GitHub desktop. Okay, is it clear? Soham, is it clear?
Yes, done.
Okay, so let's make a last day we make, just we show the change of intent. So and the button was do nothing, but today we will receive the response from the first activity and show it to the second activity. Okay, so for this we just need to create a just need to create a form. Like here the text view. Okay, basically I am just what happened.
কি হয়েছে বলো? ও কি বলি?
Please mute yourself from.
আমাদের হ্যাঁ তারপরে
আমাদের দেশে বাজারে গেলে 4G, গলিতে H+,
শৈলীদি মিউট করে দাও না ওকে।
রুমে ইমার্জেন্সি কল অনলি, আর কম্বলের নিচে গেলে নো সার্ভিস।
হ্যালো সোহাম।
এটা শুনেছি।
Okay, thank you. Whatever. So basically what I do, just make the background transfer black. Okay. Okay. So now just okay, just no, just do this. Okay, make the text view text color to white. Make this white. Okay, wait. So this is the text view. We need to make it edit text for receiving the response. This is the edit text, and we just clear this to hint, and type your name here. Okay, and text color will be this. I think make it yellow. Let's make this yellow. Okay, yes, this is fine. And then just we need to copy this, as we need 3. So just paste it. Okay, and then we just need to design it like 1, and this is 3. Oh, so we just change the details name, and this will be the email, and sorry, okay, this is will be the email, and this will be the phone number. Okay, so we just change the IDs, because we need to call that. For name, suppose we give name edit text, et for edit text, and this is phone number, so this is phone et for edit text, and this is email, so email et. So this will be email et. Okay, and for this for doing some work, we just need a button. So for button, we just put a widget here, like button, and let's constrain this. Okay, fine. And name the button save button. Okay, so this will save, and the button will be save button. Save button. And for color, we just need to change the color. From here we can give it red, so this will change. So okay, fine. So we need to make another activity for the second intent. So go to the second intent and empty. Okay, this is the empty activity. And for the second activity we just name it second. Okay, so just finish this. So this is the second activity, the build is going on. So we just need to design the second activity. So for this we just import the image for design, like copy this and put it to the drawable folder, drawable v24, and make it jpg. Don't have, it also works in png though. And then just put the image view here. This is a png. It's not showing because this is in so so we just need to give it a background. So we are giving the same background like this. So just copy the code and put it here. And okay, so what we need to do is just make it large. It's your life, make it large. Okay, so we can do it. Okay, so then just we need to do is give a text view. For that we can just see the result. So this is the result. So we need to do is text view, give a text view a id, let it the image view and give it a id, like this will show the result. So result tv. Okay, so I will name this like result tv and give a color. So we don't need the text because the text will appear after. So let's give a color. Hmm. So this, okay. So we give a color and we can bold this like textile. We can make it bold and text size. Okay, let's see text size. Give a text size like text size like 20 sp. And okay, so now it's time to code our main activity because I think they are ready. Yeah, so this is ready and this is also okay. So let's code the main activity part. So for this we just need to give the variables of this is text, so that's why we are giving this text. And sorry, we need to call by id. So for this we just need to do find view by id, and here this is text function, that's why this is text. And r dot id dot the file name dot et. Okay, let's copy this. What happened? Wrong text. This is text, I think. Oh, sorry, edit text. Sorry. Edit text. This is edit text. Okay. Actually, I forgot that. And just copy this, then paste. We have 4 things. That's why we need to paste it 4 times and just change it to email. And you need to just change it to email. Then you just need to change it to phone. And you just need to change it to phone. There is email.et, I think. Okay, and this will be the button. So for this we just need to name this save button and this to button, and name this to save button. Okay, we declared the variables, so now we need to click on the on click listener function. So for this we just need to click type save button dot set on click listener, set on click listener, and then just we need to put the values in it. For that we just need val name equal to val name equal to name it dot this is text file, and for we need to go to string. For that just click on string, and like this we just copy and paste this. Sorry, we don't need the for button. For that text only. Email, this will be email it email it to string, and this will be the phone number phone, and this will be phone it. The name, this is text, we need to go to string, and then we need to start the intent function. For that we just put the value of the intent to intent and intent second activity. Then we need to put it in a class dot java, and then we need to put the value for the data. So we need to intent dot put extra, and here we need to put the name like name and we just need to copy this, and for this we just need to mail, this will be mail, this will be phone, this will be phone, and after that we just go to the second activity and code there, because we need to receive these things there. So for this we just need to put the values of the intent. So val intent equal to intent get intent, and then need to just put the value of name equal to get string. We need to use get string to get the response. String intent get string extra, and the name, and we just need to copy this and paste this twice and change it to email, then change it to email, then change it to phone, and this also to phone, like this. We code here and we put this here and receive get this from here. Okay, then we just call the result tv. For this we need to put the value of result tv. mm, Result tv, what we named result tv. Okay, so result tv equal to find view by id, and this is text view. So this is a text view and this is result tv. Where is result tv? This is the result tv, and then we just need to call the function result tv dot text equal to so this will be the sorry uh, we just need to give the name plus, then we just okay we can for gap we just give it slash n for the next line. Sorry, we have to put it inside the bracket plus n mail email, then we have to put the value of email, then we just need to put the phone and we have to put the phone plus phone. Okay, so I think my app is ready. Let's start it. Let's start and see what happened. Okay, let's wait till the build finished. Okay, so let's type my name, email. Okay, I think there is some problem. The intent is not changing. Okay, so is there any problem? Wait, let me check what is the problem for the intent change. Okay, I just forgot to code the start. Lol. Don't give a code to start the activity. Then how it will work? Sorry, my bad. Okay, so the name is showing here. We can change something like we can change the text alignment, like we can give it to center, and let's run this again. You can see the intent is changing, and we can show the response. So you can just make this app by, I mean, design your app as per your choice. So this is showing in the middle. Okay, so okay, now let's work with some background. Okay, for that we need to create some gradient files. So let's make gradient files. I saw in the I show you in the last session how to make drawable files, and I am making. So we are making 3 gradient files. This is gradient 1, and let's make gradient 2, gradient 3, and let's make, okay, let's make it later. So in the gradient 1 we just need to make gradient files. So for that we need item, and then we just need shape, and Okay, so after that we just need to make a stroke function. Here is the stroke function, and in this we just need to mention Android color and give something. Okay, and after that we just need to give it a width like 5 dp, and then we just need to make it gradient. So this is gradient, and in this we just need to give some colors. What color? Like from this we just change it to red. First is red, and we just copy this and put it here. This will be center color, and this will be the end color. So this will be the red color. Then we just need to give something white, and this is some yellow. So this is the yellow color, and after this we just need to give it an angle. So 120 degree, sorry, 45 degree. Okay, this is fine. 45, and after this we just need to close this, and then we need to give some size. Okay, this is the size. Width will be 250 dp. Okay, and the height will be also 250 dp. Okay, so you can make this like this, and let's end. So we can just copy this thing like from item to item and put it in our gradient 2 and gradient 3, and we just change it to random colors. Red, this will be okay, this make this red, and the angle is 90 degree. And after this, in gradient 3 we can make it black, and the middle color make it red. So this will be the color, and okay, so we made 3 gradient colors, and for the animation we can make this animated, and for this we need to create a drawable file. We can name it like animation.xml, and for this we just need to like say, let this make animation list. Okay, animation list, and then we just put item and like Android drawable. No, sorry, we just need to make duration. So duration, I give it 5000 ms, and drawable, for the drawable we just give it drawable 1. What is gradient 1? Okay, this is gradient 1, and let this finish. Let's copy this, and okay, so we make it 3, and then this is 2, and this is 3. What happened? What is this? This is the gradient 2. Okay, so now we just put this into the background of the activity.xml. So okay, just remove this and drawable animation. Okay, and to run the animation we just need to code here. So we need to code like here. So okay, for that we need to give it a ID, like Android ID. Okay, let's give it root layout. Okay, so that's why we need to do. Okay, we can do just root layout equal to find view by ID. This will be view, Android view, and this will be our uh, dot id dot root layout. Okay, after that we just need to do is we need to give the animation drawable name drawable equal to root layout dot background as animation drawable, and then anim drawable dot set interfere duration. Okay, anim drawable dot set interfere duration, like in second. Oh, sorry, 10 seconds, and then set exit duration, exit fade duration, duration like 5,000. Okay, then oh, sorry. Then we just need to. What is happening with my cursor? Okay, so just put this code to the second activity also. Where is the second activity? Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so you guys can see the background is animating. I think you guys can see this. Okay, I think you guys can see this, and after I put it something like so. Okay, I need to put it in black, but okay, still you can see after the animate after the background is animating. Okay, now you can see everything is working. So anyone has any doubt till now? Anyone has any doubt on this? Okay, so I don't think anyone has any doubt. So, okay, the last thing I want to tell, like if you want to just give your app the permission for internet access, you just need to go to the manifest folder, Android manifest, and then in this section you just need to give a permission like uses permission Android name. In there you can Android, you can just give the permission whatever you want, like if you want to access background location or internet, etc., etc., you can just give permission. From here I want to show you internet, so I am showing you the internet permission, and you just need to put it back. Okay, so if you give this, then you get your app can access to the internet. And okay, and if we want to make some, okay, if I want to like make an activity on google uh, Google Maps, then we can go to the Google Maps activity. I don't think here that is okay, no matter. Just click on new project, and after going to the Google Maps activity, just name it Google Map, and let's finish. Let the Gradle finish. And for making the Google app, you just need to uh, from here you don't need to do so much things, but if you make with an empty activity, just you need to give that internet permissions and etc. And so you can see here we just need to paste your Google Maps API key, right? So for that we just need to copy this. Okay, from here we copy. Okay, so just copy this, open here. This will open to an Google API console. So create new project. I already made some projects here, but okay, just we need to create project, and after create, we need to create an API key. So it will take some time. And the API key is created. Just copy this and put it here in the place of your API key. And okay, fine. This is ready for use. And here you everything is coded already, but if you want to change your location, like if you want to change, here it is default in Sydney, but if you want to change in Kolkata or in your location, for if you want to show your location, then just you need to code like you can code here like Google Map dot is my location enabled, and then you can make it true. Okay, so for this you just need to make permission check, like we in manifest section, we just go to the manifest section. So here you can see the user permission to access the location. You can just give the other permissions as well, like just copy this and like you can just permission to dot, there is a permission for course, access course, access access underscore course location. So this, and you can just internet for permission dot internet. Okay, so just you can like it is missing Android prefix. What happened? Okay, okay. So this is the permissions you just need to do, and like if you want to make some other changes, like if you want to just give this to Bangalore, to like change it to Bangalore and change the let long to Bangalore. I don't know perfectly, but let's do something like okay. So I think this is the let long of Bangalore, and let's make it color is in Bangalore. Okay, so I made the variable already. Am I right? Mm, okay. You want to make another time? I just make it. Okay, so I think it's going to run. Okay, so this is the map you can see. Where is the marker? I can't see any marker. So like you can zoom. Okay, but it's not showing any marker right now. Uh, so I think there are some mistakes. Mistakes in let long maybe. Okay, I am just showing you with the Sydney. Okay, so this is the Sydney and we can zoom it like if you give it a let long zoom then just you can make it float 5f. You can zoom it 5 times. Max to max you can zoom it till 16, but I am giving the 10. Okay, so let's run. Uh, add marker option is enabled. Then why it's not showing? I don't know what happened with this, but this is the code actually. This is the code for adding any marker on the position. So think there is something. Okay, so we will learn this perfectly in the next session from empty activity, and I don't think the next session will happen soon as many of us has their exams. So okay, fine. That's all about programming today, and okay, I am giving you guys the form for Android Study Jam. You guys have to just fill it up. I give the form link in the comment section. Just fill the form uh, with uploading the screenshot of your Google developers profile. You just try to make the screenshot in one page. That will help us a lot. And okay, and okay, you guys have to do one thing. Like I have made the dice roller app today, and So you guys need to do is make a dice roller app in which there